Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade perpetuals. And if you want to do this, first of all, you need to create an account right here on Axiom Pro. Then after that, log in and then you will see this page right here. And what we're going to do right here is we select right here perpetuals. Then you will find right here the chart, and what we're going to do right here is we select right here on Solana, and then we can search for something that we want to trade. So let's say right now we search here for BTC right there, we click on it, and then right now you will find right here Bitcoin to US dollars. Then this is the first thing that you need to know to select a symbol or a currency if you want to trade with that. We have a trading view supported chart, so that is great to do your analysis. And then right now what we're going to do is we go right here to our wallet, select right here deposit, select convert, and now you need to transfer Solana right here to USDC, because otherwise you are not allowed or possible to buy yourself a position. So make sure that you do this right here and put some money on your account, and then after that you can fill in right here for how much you want to buy. Then you can click right here on long form or short form. So if you want to short, select this one. If you want to long, select this one. And then after that, you can decide right here also for how much you want to step in. So, or fill the amount in right here, or select right here, with this, the percentage that you want to step in with. You can click here on TP and stop loss to create yourselves a take profit or a stop loss if you want to do that. And then you can click right here on buy position, and then you can buy it by yourselves. Right now, I don't have any money standing on this account, but this is how you can create yourselves a nice position. Then you will find right here the order book, some trades right here too. This is exactly what you need to know to trade perpetuals. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.